Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So we're going to demonstrate here on the 2017 Honda Civic, guys. You have two different fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we'll need to open is located inside the car. Okay, on the driver's side, under the dash. If you look right there underneath it where the OBD port is located, you will see a fuse box like that one. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see, guys, the fuses, and let's explain which first fuse we need to check here. And then we have another fuse that's actually located in a different fuse box. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
The fuse that we'll need to check will need to come in that row right here. You can see you have number 1 on one side, number 13 on the other one. So we start at number 1 and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. It's that 10M fuse that you will need to check right here. Now we have another one that you will need to check, guys, and it's located in the engine bay. And if you open the hood right here on the right side, that's the fuse box right there that we need. And that fuse box, if you open it, guys, it will look okay just like this one. Now let's zoom in and explain, okay, which fuse we need to check here specifically, because they're a little bit displayed a little bit chaotically, guys, as you can see. Now the fuse that we'll need to find here is known as fuse number 18, guys. Fuse number 18. So facing the vehicle, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Facing the vehicle, we're talking about a 10M fuse right before, okay, the relay right here. That's the fuse that you will need to check.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.